Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another Tinkercad designer shoutout. So let's get cracking. Friends, I am on my website, HLModTech.com, which is kind of fitting because both of these users reached out via the sweet messaging tool. Friends, if you haven't tried it, it is a super quick way you can fill in your information and reach me almost instantly. Friends, this first design I'd like to share is from 10-year-old Izan. Friends, while this is loading, I'm going to start down here with the awesome peace sign. If you remember earlier, this was shared by Tuco, who is from the Canary Islands of Spain. 10-year-old Izan is a friend of his, and let me show you what he created. Friends, if we zoom all the way out, he has got an amazing aircraft. Let me hit F for fit view so you can see this awesome design. It has got his name on the wing. There are sweet jet engines in the back. Inside, he's got the awesome anglerfish, and there is a note that says, Izan is the pilot, or he is the pilot. How sweet is that? Now, the thing that I perhaps like even the best is that Izan, instead of dropping bombs, is dropping toys over Ukraine. Let's hit F for fit view and check out these amazing designs. He has got the helmet, the guitar, the soccer ball. It looks like some musical instruments and then just awesome things for the kids to play with in Ukraine. Such a cool idea, and thank you both for taking time to share. Friends, our second design is from 6th grader Amaya. She is one of my students that I teach. She has made these awesome characters called Molly the Dolly. So awesome, using spheres, cones, and just cool hairstyles. She has created these totally on her own without a tutorial. Friends, it absolutely makes my day when your skills get to a level where you can say, I want, therefore I create. Amaya, thanks so much for sharing your awesome design, and I absolutely love your creativity. Friends, remember, if you ever make something awesome like my cute little dinosaur that I posted today, you can always reach out and share it with me by clicking on this button right here, generate a link, copy the link, and then you can reach out and share with me. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. If those options don't work for you, don't forget you can also visit HLModTech.com. I've got a page dedicated to Tinkercad, all kinds of amazing lessons, and down at the bottom there is the sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click on it, add your information, and send it to me almost instantly. Finally, friends, thank you Izan, Amaya, and Tuco for sharing your amazing designs with us. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.